This is another pre-K activity that we use our rolling for, and we're calling it Roll for Letters. Fancy names, I know. So this is what we're using. Again, another small size ball, easy for those little ones to hold on to. You can also do this for kindergarten through second grade. We're using tile letters as well, bowling pins. And with ours, because we don't have as many pre-K kids, we don't have about 20 or so pre-K, they all play by themselves. If you have larger class sizes, or like for us, if I did from an older kid group, then we would have them partner up and they would take turns. So I'm just going to demonstrate how we did it for pre-K. So they're going to get their ball, they're going to stand on their dot on the side. We have a matching color ball to the dot to help all of them. And they're going to do the critical elements we talked about in class. And they're going to roll the ball on the ground. And one of two things they're going to do, because it's a light ball. They either have to get it to touch the bowling pin or get it to knock it down. Either way, we told them if it touches or knocks it down, they get to earn a letter. Now, if it knocks it down, they put it back up. And it was really funny to watch them because they'll roll it and they'll kind of keep nudging it until it knocks it down. But the ball is so light, it doesn't, with the pre-K, they didn't. I think a few friends were able to knock it down with this kind of ball. But, so if it touched one, I get that letter, I go back, we just had to kind of hold on to it. You can put like little buckets over there, they can put their collection in buckets, they can put it on the ground. I would be leery with pre-K because, you know, sometimes their stuff becomes somebody else's stuff. Kindergarten through second, they should be okay if they kept their own little pile. They're pretty good, for me at least, they're pretty good at keeping their stuff separate. So, I hope that, when I do play with the second through second, we come from both sides. Pre-K, we just all stayed on one side. The older kids, because there's more of them, we came from both sides. So I hope your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Pirillo, reminding you to keep on moving.